to do something important and solve a big issue, may she kneel in front of you, God, first.
Tuanze kanisa nyumbani. Tukianza kanisa nyumbani, tutoke nje na tueneze neno la Bwana, because the gospel of Christ has not reached where it's supposed to reach. Pastor, I called more than 3,000 pastors. Things were tough. I was going through a lot. Kuekelewa mambo hata sio ya kweli. Lakini siku ile niliwaita na tukaomba. Si mambo yalienda vizuri? Any clever leader, mtu ako na akili timamu, atakaa karibu na watu wa Mungu. Even the kings that did well in the Bible always consulted the men of God. And when sometimes things in the county are big like this, I call all the spiritual fathers. You have seen me with the spiritual fathers. I call them, I share with them, they give me their wisdom, and I move forward. And that is why you see my chapels moving every day. The government is also working with church leaders in various levels, from cabinet, hospital boards, and committees in the villages. Sisi tumeanza kufanya kazi na nyinyi. Kuna wale wamewekwa kwa board za hospitali za wapi, which will be commissioning them next week. Because we must empower our people. You have your circles, isn't it? If you're given even 500 or 1 million or even 200 in that, and you do table bargaining, si mtasaidiana. Have a lot of things on gender and social welfare. Wake what your fund is in the county assembly. Mfumuombe Mungu waende wamalize, lakini na mimi ninaomba, I pray a lot. Nimeambia Wangondi aende aongee na wao, kama hawajui hizi za Yesu tunajua, na pesa itatoka. Si sawa? Because we must empower our people. You have your circles, isn't it? If you're given even 500 or 1 million or even 200 in that, and you do table bargaining, si mtasaidiana. But I request the church kwa maombi, for prayers. Pray for His Excellency Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. Tumuombe. Na mkimwombea na mimi mfanye nini? Si ndio?
You before anyone else, just like David did.